let's say in the future tense of to buy, for example, we don't say can he, we say canoi. Okay, we add the little O sound in, whether it be through an O father with the broad ones or an EO with the slender ones. Well, we're going to do the same thing here, guys, with the moganilic on the long verbs. So, with to buy, for example, I would buy chianohin. Okay? You would buy chianofa, he would buy chianoach she. So it's the exact same sounding endings, the hin, the fa, and the uk, but the only difference is we're just throwing on the little vowel in the middle, in this case an O father. The best tip I can give you for the long verb ones, guys, is make sure you know them well in the future tense. Because if you can think what a long verb is in the future tense, you can straight away kind of get the shape or the feel or the sound of the verb and then just change the ending. So if you know, for example, that I will speak is la roime, you've already got the la ro